When your taste buds crave fall but the weather says summer, you need an apple cider slush in your life. That distinct fall flavor of apple cider and cinnamon with the cooling refreshment of serving it frozen is just what the impending change of seasons call for. You'll be slurping it down in no time. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. This is super simple because all you really need is apple cider, ice, and a blender, and you're ready to go. Add 1 cup of cider to your blender container. Then add 1.5 to 2 cups of ice to the container as well. You can add 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice to amp up the flavor if you like. Pulse in the blender until the ice breaks down into that beautiful slush consistency that we all remember from childhood, or last Thursday. Pour it into a glass and garnish the top with a sprinkle of cinnamon, and then it's ready for a big old milkshake straw. Apple cider slushes are a delicious way for fall fanatics like myself to get into the spirit while still beating the heat of summer that won't let go. The cinnamon-topped frothy goodness is a cool treat even summer lovers can get on board with. It's the best of both seasons in one. For other easy, refreshing recipes, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.